In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe integration with HubSpot. If you're managing sales or subscriptions, connecting Stripe to HubSpot lets your team see real payment activity alongside your contacts and deals, which means less manual work and more accurate reporting. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to a HubSpot account with permission to manage integrations, and you have access to a Stripe account you can connect. Begin in HubSpot. Look to the top right of your screen for the settings icon, the little gear. Click that to open your account settings. On the left sidebar, you'll see a menu. Scroll to Integrations and choose Connected Apps. This is your hub for everything that ties into HubSpot. If you've never connected anything before, you'll see a button that says, Connect your first app. If you already have other tools connected, click Visit App Marketplace. Both options lead to the same place, HubSpot's App Marketplace, where you can find and install approved integrations. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Stripe. You should see Stripe appear in the results. Click it to open the integration page, then select Install App. HubSpot will prompt you to sign into Stripe. If you're already logged in, it may jump straight to the authorization screen. Make sure you're connecting the correct Stripe account, especially if you manage more than one, then proceed. Next, you'll be asked to approve the permissions that allow HubSpot and Stripe to talk to each other securely. Review the details and confirm. This step authorizes HubSpot to access data like payments, customers, and transactions, so it can sync automatically in the background. Once connected, the sync begins. You don't need to do anything else. Depending on how much historical data you have, the initial sync can take a few minutes. After that, new payments and customer updates flow into HubSpot automatically. This means your team can reference real payment activity when working with contacts and deals, and your reporting becomes more complete without manual imports. If you ever need to confirm the connection later, you can return to the Connected Apps page in HubSpot to see the integration status. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Use an account with admin or integration permissions. Double-check you're in the right workspace if your company has multiple, and refresh the page if you don't see Stripe in the results right away. And that's how you use Stripe integration with HubSpot. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.